You don't need to be rich to build a $1 million portfolio. You just need time, consistency, and a simple plan. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, starting from zero. Let's start with the math. If you invest $500 a month for 30 years and earn an average 8% return, you'll have over $1 million. That's not magic, that's compound interest. Start at 25. Invest $500 a month. By 55, you're a millionaire. Start at 35. You'll need $1,000 a month. Start at 45, $2,500 a month. The earlier you start, the easier it is. But where do you get that $500 a month? And where do you invest it? That's what we're going to cover, step by step. Let's start with the most powerful tool you have, your 401k. Step 1, your 401k. This is the easiest way to start building wealth because the money comes out of your paycheck before you even see it. You decide a percentage of your paycheck to contribute. It comes out before taxes. Your money grows tax-deferred until retirement. The best part, company match. If your company matches 50% of your contributions up to 6% of your salary, that's free money on a $50,000 salary. That's an extra $1,500 a year. That $1,500 a year invested for 30 years at 8% returns grows to over $170,000. That's free money from your employer. Never leave it on the table. What to invest in? Look for low-cost index funds or target date funds. Avoid funds with high expense ratio. Every 1% in fees can cost you hundreds of thousands over time. Start by contributing enough to get the full match. Then increase your contribution by 1% every year. You won't even notice the difference in your paycheck. If you're earning $60,000 a year, contributing 10% is $500 a month. That's $6,000 a year. In 30 years, that's over $700,000 from your contributions alone. So that's step 1. Max out your 401k match. It's the easiest money you'll ever make. Now, let's talk about step 2. Step 2, the Roth IRA. This is the most powerful retirement account for young people. Why? Because your money grows tax-free forever. You contribute money you've already paid taxes on. It grows tax-free. And when you retire, you withdraw it tax-free. No taxes on growth. Ever. For 2026, you can contribute up to $7,000 a year to a Roth IRA. That's about $583 a month. Do that for 30 years, and you'll have over $700,000 tax-free. Let's do the math. Invest $7,000 a year in a Roth IRA for 30 years at 8% returns. You'll have about $860,000. And you pay zero taxes on that money. Zero. Unlike a 401k, Roth IRAs have no required minimum distributions. You can let the money grow forever. You can leave it to your kids tax-free. It's a wealth-building machine. Where do you open one? Vanguard, Fidelity, or Schwab? They have the lowest fees and best customer service. Open an account in 10 minutes. What to buy? Low-cost index funds like VOO for the S&P 500, VTI for the total US market, or VT for the total world market. Set it and forget it. So that's step 2. Max out your Roth IRA. $7,000 a year, tax-free forever. Now, let's talk about step 3. Step 3, a taxable brokerage account. This is where you invest money you want to access before retirement or money after you've maxed out your 401k and Roth IRA. Unlike retirement accounts, you can withdraw from a brokerage account anytime, for any reason. No penalties, no age restrictions. It's your flexible wealth building account. There are no contribution limits. You can invest $100 a month or $10,000 a month. Whatever you can afford, it's your money. The downside, You pay taxes on your gains, but if you hold investments for over a year, you pay long-term capital gains rates, which are lower than ordinary income tax rates. What to buy? Same low-cost index funds. VU, VTA, VT. Keep it simple. Keep costs low. If you invest $500 a month in a brokerage account for 30 years at 8% returns, you'll have over $700,000. That's money you can use anytime for anything. This account is your flexible wealth. Need a down payment on a house? It's there. Want to retire early before 59 and a half? It's there. Kids college? It's there. So that's step 3. A brokerage account for flexible wealth. Now let's talk about what to actually buy. Now that you know where to invest, let's talk about what to buy. This is where most people overcomplicate things, but it's actually very simple. Index funds. They're like a basket that holds hundreds or thousands of companies. You buy one fund, and you're diversified across the entire market. VOO tracks the S&P 500. That's the 500 largest companies in America. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Nvidia, Google. You own them all. VTI tracks the total US stock market. That's over 3,500 companies. You own everything from the giants to the smaller up-and-comers. VT tracks the total world stock market. That's over 9,000 companies in over 40 countries. You own the entire global economy. The best part, index funds are incredibly cheap. VU has an expense ratio of 0.03%. That's $3 for every $10,000 invested. Compare that to actively managed funds charging 1% or more. You can build $1 million portfolio with just one fund, 100% VU or 100% VT. That's it. Keep it simple. You don't need 20 different funds. So that's step 4. Buy low-cost index funds, VU, VTI, or VT. Now, let's see how this all adds up to $1 million. Now, let's put it all together. Here's how a normal person can build $1 million portfolio using these 3 accounts. Years 1 to 10. You're starting from 0. You contribute enough to your 401k to get the match. You max out your Roth IRA. If you have more, you add to your brokerage account. By year 10, with consistent contributions, you might have $150,000, not $1 million yet, but you're building momentum. Years 10 to 20. Now your money is doing the heavy lifting. Your contributions still matter, but your investment returns are starting to outpace what you're adding. By year 20, you might have $500,000. Halfway to your goal, and the second half will come faster than the first. By year 30, you cross the $1 million mark. Your money has been working for you for 3 decades. You're a millionaire, not because you were lucky, because you were consistent. Let's quickly recap. Step 1, use your 401k and get the match. Step 2, max out your Roth IRA. Step 3, use a brokerage account for flexible savings. Step 4, buy low-cost index funds like VOO or VT. Step 5, be consistent for 30 years. Here's your action plan. This week, open a 401k if your job offers one. Open a Roth IRA at Vanguard, Fidelity, or Schwab. Set up automatic transfers so you invest every month. Buy index funds. Then don't touch it. And remember, this video is for educational purposes. I'm not a financial advisor. Your situation is unique. Talk to a professional if you need personalized advice. If this video helped you, please hit that like button. Subscribe to Money Mint for more simple money tips. Next time, we're talking about how to build an emergency fund from 0. You won't want to miss it. I'm Mr. Mint, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, your future self will thank you for the investments you make today. Start now. You've got this.